one thing to consider when using single pole voltage indication at a meter point is it a ghost voltage that you're seeing, or is it a leakage voltage, which can be caused by a high impedance, especially when looking at phenolic resin fuse carriers. So to demonstrate this, we've got mains supplying a decade resistance box, and then that's connected to a conductive copper plate. In this instance, I'm at 31 megohms. If I switch on the EPF Pro, this is one of the British gas returns. It's worth noting that there's quite a lot of debris on the outside of this. As we mentioned before, the reference to the mass of Earth is through the user holding this, so any debris on the side of the unit will affect the sensitivity. So switching this on, connected to the mains, the circuit isn't complete yet, so there's 240 volts sat on there. Once I apply this tester or another impedance, it indicates a voltage present. So do the same with the EPF 20. We're getting a strong positive indication. So if then I apply a 10 meg multimeter set to volts AC, we're up in the region of 57 volts. Obviously that's what we'd class as a dangerous voltage, but I know I'm perfectly safe to touch this plate and I won't get a shock. That's because the voltage dropped across this resistance box is dependent upon the impedance of the voltage indicator. So if I'm to apply a very low impedance tester, such as the cycling test lamp, and I'll connect that to the earth, I'm getting no light at all. That's because all of the voltage is being dropped across the decade resistance box.